G'day mates, Uncle Nico reporting from Melbourne, and I'm putting out a warning to any of you who use a Devilbiss Intellipap or SleepCube device. It looks like this, CPAP, auto CPAP, bi-level, whatever it is. If it looks like this, you should really stop using it. And I'm going to show you some footage very soon as to why, but I'll give you a little history lesson here, and that is when Philips announced the recall 2-3 years ago, whenever it was, Devilbiss, who are now called like Drive Devilbiss or something like that, they had a look in their machine and they went, uh-oh, we're using the exact same foam. I did a video on this. If you want to watch the full video, click the link above. This is the short snippet. And then, so they said, yeah, we're using the same foam, but we haven't had any reports from our customers about breakdown, so nothing to see here. And then pretty much at the exact same time, they just got out of the whole CPAP business altogether. We don't make CPAPs anymore. Boom, smoke bomb, Houdini, gone, fart in the wind. And I did a video on it, and I was kind of like, all right, well, now that I've done a video on it, surely the FDA or the TGA will get wind of this, and there will be a recall. And nothing happened. It just sort of got forgotten about. Now, they were manufacturing and using these machines for a long time, like probably 10 plus years. Huge, there'd be millions of them out there. And they're chock-a-block full of this PE-PUR foam, the exact same foam. I'll show you this video now. And this is the reason why you should stop using it, because we know that it's carcinogenic. We know that it mutates DNA. We have that information from the Philips results. We know that now. And this is like worse than the Philips in terms of how much foam is in there. It's right in the air pathway. It'll be all inside your blower, most likely. Just, yeah, stop using it. That's what I'm saying today. So here's the footage to check out right now. And if this doesn't make you stop, nothing will. All the best.
CPAP, Devilbiss. Look, when I open up, what's inside? All this, like
You're
this,
breathing
all
this.
black stuff.
Oh, you.
This the sponge or gasket to hold this thing together. The
Where
motor.
did this come from?
It's inside. This is holding this fan. They're supposed to blow everything inside.
Oh, there.
Through this,
Yeah,
yes, through this. Show this. Everything is like this, so black.
Wait, let me see.
Look, how black. So I'm breathing in all this thing using this CPAP. Right, I open up. Now you see. This is what I'm breathing in. All this one. Open up and see what's inside. I wouldn't know that this is in this kind of a condition. Look, it's stuck everywhere. Like grease. So sticky.
These are the black things that we see in the chamber.
Yeah, sometimes comes out in the chamber, and we've been thinking it's dust, but it's this. It's something they put in such a lousy material to hold this pump together.